On the other hand, there are moments in which I'm a lot more anxious, but only because I acknowledge that anxiety is a part of my existence and it's normal, right? And it's a human, it's part of the human experience, and I don't have to deny this anxiety, because then it always is subliminally there, and it will just like shoot out at certain random moments, and I would be like, where is this coming from? I'm not an anxious person usually. Whereas now I know, hey, certain things give me anxiety. I'm a human being. That's totally normal. So I know how to manage it now, and then I know what to do next.